It might come as a surprise, but if you want to invest, you need money. Unlike real estate, where you need to save a lot of cash and take out a loan, in stocks you can invest any amount you want, so you just need a job. You can invest the payments from your stocks back into the portfolio and buy more stocks. You can't invest the rent from your property back into the property without evicting the tenant and losing the rent. You think you are buying stocks, but you are actually buying employees. They are working hard to make sure you will keep owning their stocks. While you are sitting in your room under the air conditioner buying stocks, they are doing everything they can to make sure you will keep receiving your monthly payments. Your employees help you employ more employees by allowing you to buy more stocks. So you are not working alone to increase your passive income, you are working together with your passive income. By investing small amounts, you will grow your income by small amounts, so it may encourage you to learn a new skill and find a better job. This way you can increase your passive income faster. At first, you will work for your passive income. Then you will work together with your passive income, and eventually your passive income will work for you. It doesn't matter if it grows in a slow rate. Your monthly goal should be just to increase your income every month. By increasing it every month, you will be able to invest more every month. So take baby steps and watch your passive income slowly grow. The potential is unlimited. Let's say you invest $1,000 a month from your job. At some point you will receive $1,000 from your passive income. Then you will have an extra $1,000 to invest. So it will take you twice as fast to grow your passive income to $2,000. Then you will have an extra $2,000 to invest. So it will take you 3 times as fast to grow your passive income to $3,000. When you start, it will be slow, but it will get faster as you keep rolling the snowball.